With 3Shape's Implant Studio, you have the tools needed to achieve predictable and aesthetic results based on prosthetic-driven implant planning. Implant Studio enables a flexible digital workflow that can enhance the patient experience and reduce chair time. Let's take a closer look at the Implant Studio workflow. When you have created your case, you start by defining the relevant indications in the 3D order form. You can plan single, multiple, or full edentulous treatments in Implant Studio. The combination of surface scans from TRIOS and CB/CT scans gives you very precise clinical insight that is essential when you want to carry out predictable implant treatments. Implant Studio is an open system, which means you can work with any STL or DICOM file inside the system. Implant Studio enables prosthetic-driven implant planning, so you start by designing virtual crowns or virtual wax-ups, which are later used as your prosthetic reference when you plan the implant treatment. There's a range of user-friendly tools available to adjust position, shape, and anatomy of your designs, so you quickly have a result good enough to be used during the implant planning. In the next step, the software will propose an initial optimal panoramic curve for you, which you just have to check, adjust if needed, and click Next. In the scan alignment step, the software will once again propose an initial optimal alignment. Consult the difference map to check the scan alignment and confirm the alignment if satisfied. You can also define the mandibular nerve in the lower jaw. A clearly defined nerve helps you realize the best possible way to plan your treatments while taking the necessary precautions. Now you can proceed to the implant planning step. Start by choosing the implant you want to use from the Implant Library menu. You have more than 60 libraries available in Implant Studio, and more are added continuously. When you have selected your implant system and size, the implant will automatically be placed based on the virtual crown you designed earlier. You can then manually adjust the placement if needed. Turn on the bone density visualization to review the bone density around the implant. This can help you decide the optimal implant dimensions and placement. Next, you design the surgical guide, which helps you achieve predictable results. In Implant Studio, you can design the guide completely to match your preference. The surface scan provides you with high accuracy and all the details of the clinical situation needed to design a precisely fitting guide. Finalize your guide by adding support bars, viewing windows, and ID tags. Finish your workflow by reviewing the surgical report and approving the case. You can then either manufacture the guide and restorations in-house or send the case to your preferred partner for guide manufacturing and/or further design. The guide is generated in an open STL format, so you are free to choose the workflow that you prefer. This concludes our demo of prosthetic-driven implant planning and guide design in Implant Studio. For more information, please visit www.3shape.com implantology.